Welcome students, welcome to your digital classroom English studies online. Today we are going to discuss about voice and its types, and of course how to change from one voice to another voice. Remember, this is a very important topic on English grammar. In almost all the classes, this topic is a must. You will be asked to interchange. You will be asked to change from one voice to another voice. That is, you may be asked to change the voice from active to passive. Sometimes you may be asked to change the voice from passive to active. So before starting, let us learn some basic English rules regarding structure of a sentence. Unless you know these rules, you are not able to do this, to do the voice change. First, let us take example of the sentence. Ram is playing football. This is a simple sentence. It has some parts and you have to know what are the names of the parts. So what is the grammatical functions of each part. Here you have to find out the subject and object in order to change the voice from active to passive. Ram is playing football. Here subject, what is subject? Well, subject is the doer of action. Who is doing the action of playing? Here Ram is playing the action of playing. So here Ram is the subject. Another way, you have to ask the verb with who or what. Who is playing? The answer comes Ram is playing. So Ram is the subject here. And if the subject is not a person, it is a thing, then you have to ask the verb or put the WH word who or what before the verb. The recent flood caused a huge damage to the crops and property. The recent flood caused a huge damage. What I said, you have to put what before the verb. Here verb is caused. So what caused huge damage to the crops and property? Obviously the recent flood. So this is subject. Similarly, we will find object by asking the verb with whom or what. Take another example. Now this is in the same sentence. If you want to find the object, you have to ask with what. Ram is playing what? Or I am writing a letter. What are you writing? You have to ask with what. Take another example. He wrote many letters. What did he write? He wrote what? You have to put what at the end of the sentence. Then if it comes, the answer comes will be object. I am writing a letter. What are you writing? Or you are writing what? A letter or many letters. Ram is playing what? Ram is playing football. In this way, you can ask the verb with whom, what, then you will get the object. Another way of finding object. Sometimes there are two types of objects, a direct object and indirect object. To find out the direct object, you have to ask the verb with what, and to find out the indirect object from the sentence, you have to ask the verb with whom. Look, he wrote me many letters. So the direct object is many letters. What did he write? He wrote many letters. This is the answer. He wrote many letters. What many letters is the answer when you ask the verb with what. He wrote many letters. He wrote what? He wrote me many letters. And now if you want to find out another object, then you will have to ask it with whom. He wrote whom. Whom did he write? Whom did he write many letters? So the answer comes me. He writes me many letters. So the answer that comes by asking the verb with whom is the indirect object. That is the persons. Persons are always when the persons are object, then it is always indirect object. And the things, if they becomes object, then the things or the matters are called direct object. He wrote many letters. He is playing football. Football is the object here. He is writing poems. Poems is the object here. Okay. Now comes another very important topic you need to know while voice change is the tenses. You have to have a clear sense about the 12 categories of tense forms: present, past and future, and their divisions. You know that each tense is divided into 4 categories: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So before voice change, you just remember these points and you read about tenses, and then you will find it very easy to change from one voice to another voice.